Hey, have you ever thought about how things are measured in a factory? In modern manufacturing, speed and accuracy are critical, but manual inspection is slow and prone to error.
That's a great question. In modern manufacturing, accuracy and speed are super important. Manual inspection is just too slow and prone to errors. It's why automation is becoming so critical.
Totally. It feels like there's a huge opportunity there. This is actually what our project is all about. It's called Smart Vision Based Measurement System, and we're using computer vision and AI to completely automate the dimensional measurement of machine components.
That's awesome. So, instead of a person with a ruler, you have an AI. What exactly can it do?
Exactly. Our goal was to create a complete, end-to-end system. First, we wanted to build an AI model for high-accuracy 2D measurements. It can automatically detect and measure things like the length, inner diameter, and outer diameters of parts with precision.
So this project is about making a manual, tedious process into a smart, automated, and data-driven one. It sounds like you've really accelerated the inspection speed and improved consistency.
Exactly. It ensures repeatable and reliable measurements, eliminating human error. This entire project was developed at the Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya Center of Excellence in Digital Manufacturing and was guided by Dr. Vinay J. Patel, Dr. Vatsal Shah and Dr. Mahfooza Holia. The core contributions were made by Shivansh Srivastav, Pawan Shingaria, Sobia Vohra, and Lavisha Desai.
That's really impressive. How about we show everyone how it all comes together?
This system works with multiple objects. It measures the inner diameter, outer diameter 1, and outer diameter 2. By annotating each object, our system can instantly identify and provide measurements on screen. And we can also find the depth of the object and take 3D measurements using the Z2i camera.
Here's our setup. We used a Z2i camera, a stereo depth sensing camera that provides high accuracy spatial measurements. To improve consistency under different lighting conditions, we mounted adjustable lights on tripod stands. The strategic lighting minimizes shadows and enhances measurement precision.
Annotation is the backbone of our project. These are labels added to images that act as teaching material, computer vision model. We defined 6 classes: inner diameter, outer diameter 1, outer diameter 2, and 3 for the objects themselves. Using polygon annotation, we carefully outlined each shape for precise detection. All annotations were managed using RoboFlow to create a structured dataset.
Here we use an Aruco marker. It is used for the camera calibration and helps our system in ensuring all measurements are accurate at variable height. We place the Aruco marker right beside the object to help with the calibration.
The admin dashboard is where we store the ground truth data. We manually enter an object's precise specifications, such as the inner and outer diameters, and its depth measurements. This is crucial for comparison and analysis. It allows us to upload an image of the object and add it to our database.
Now let's take a look at the web app. Here is the main dashboard, which shows all the objects we've already added. You can see the full list of objects along with their predefined measurements. To process a new image or video, we go to the processing page. From here, we have 2 options. We can either upload a file directly from our computer or use our webcam for live detection. All your uploads are managed under the My Upload section. Once the processing is complete, you can view and download the results from the detection results page.
For live measurements, we use the live image detection feature. This high-quality feed, calibrated with the ARUCO marker, provides real-time data directly on your screen. We can then capture a frame and download the data to an Excel file for easy record keeping. The app also includes a powerful standalone depth measurement feature. This tool is independent of the object detection and is perfect for quick, precise height measurements. To use it, you simply click on a ground reference point and then on the object itself. The system calculates and displays the precise height measurement in millimeters. As you can see, this is an excellent tool for determining the height of the object from the ground. All of this depth data can be easily saved and downloaded to an Excel file for future analysis. This is very useful for quality checks or for creating detailed reports.
The measurement comparison analysis tool is where the real verification happens. We can compare the measurements from our live detection against our pre-recorded, actual reference data. To do this, we simply merge the 2 downloaded Excel files. After selecting the reference object and uploading the detection data, the app displays a side-by-side comparison of the reference measurements and the detected measurements, along with a detailed error analysis showing the difference for each parameter. The report provides a clear overview of the measured values and the absolute error, ensuring continuous quality control.
Thank you for watching.